In this lecture, we are going to learn about the typography. So we will import some fonts, and we will do some like the text cutting or a font cutting using the Photoshop. Alright. So first of all, we just to know that how to import our fonts. So just like this, if I have an font style. Okay, so basically this is my font style. You can download the fonts, just download on the Google. Okay, just like if you want a railway, then you can download the railway font download and the font scroll, and you have many more websites for this. Okay, and you can download this TDF file. So you see it's been downloaded and it comes to here, and what you have to do just to extract, and you can just see you have a many more fonts. Then you can just like you want the extra bold, then double click and install. Alright, so you have to do only this type of things. So this is another font. Okay, install, and this is regular, and this is install. Alright, so you can install the fonts just like this, and when you just select this tool, press T, then you can find this tool, this fonts here. It's like the railway. I just installed the railway, so you can find this railway here and you can use it. See, alright, so it's been increased. So just like this, you can download the font and use it in the Photoshop.